Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance for trading. First, you'll need to create an account and complete the necessary identity verification. This ensures your account is secure and compliant with regulations. Once verified, enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. This crucial step helps safeguard your assets from unauthorized access, making your trading experience much safer from the start. After securing your account, the next step is to fund it. Binance offers several deposit options, including bank transfers or direct cryptocurrency deposits. Once your funds are available, head to the Buy Crypto section. For your initial trades, consider placing a market order. This executes immediately at the best available price, making it simple to acquire your first digital assets without complex order types. As you become more comfortable, explore Binance's advanced trading features. Limit orders allow you to set a specific price for buying or selling, giving you more control. For experienced traders, futures and options offer opportunities for higher leverage and complex strategies. Always remember to use stop-loss orders. They are essential tools for managing risk and protecting your capital from significant market downturns. Effective risk management is paramount in cryptocurrency trading. Always diversify your portfolio across various assets to spread risk. Never invest more capital than you are comfortable losing, as the market can be highly volatile. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Continuously educate yourself on market trends and platform updates to refine your trading strategies and make informed decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.